Gamers, listen up. If you're looking for the ultimate in mobile performance, check out the MSI GE75 Raider gaming laptop, powered by a blazing 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor. I'm Marc Saltzman, tech and gaming reviewer and monthly contributor to Costco Connection magazine. And speaking of Costco, be sure to take advantage of Intel Gamer Days, taking place from August 28th through September the 6th. There are some sweet PC gaming offers available from Costco. It's a collection of laptops and desktops featuring 10th gen Intel Core i7 or Intel Core i9 processors to give you the power and performance you need to crush the competition in your game. So be sure to check out all the details at Costco.com and search for Intel Gamer Days. Powered by a 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super graphics. As you can see, this thing is a beast. If you believe bigger is better, the MSI GE75 is a true desktop replacement, but you do get the portability and wireless connectivity to bring this beast on the go. That 17-inch screen also features a smooth 240 Hz refresh rate with a 3 millisecond response time. This fast refresh display means that you can see games better, even when the action gets intense. After all, when you're competing online, every millisecond counts. By the way, MSI has won multiple design awards for their laptops, and it's easy to see why. And more importantly, perhaps, is the serious power under the hood. The MSI GE75 is powered by a 10th gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor running at 2.6 GHz, which lets you play, record, and stream all at the same time while still maintaining super high and smooth frame rates. This is an octa-core mobile processor, which is ridiculously fast, up to 45% faster, says Intel, compared to the previous generation. The action is complemented by an 8GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super graphics card. Pretty sweet stuff. And then there's the comfortable and durable SteelSeries anti-ghosting keyboard with per-key RGB color customization. The MSI GE75 also has 32 GB of RAM, as well as 1 TB of hard drive space and 512 GB of SSD. This Windows 10 preloaded device lets you take advantage of the Intel Wi-Fi 6 for the ultimate in wireless performance, especially when running on a Wi-Fi 6 router or full mesh system, which Costco also carries. There's also fast and reliable Bluetooth 5.0 to wirelessly tether to compatible devices. With its huge and fast display, powerful processor and graphics, and several connectivity options, the MSI GE75 Raider is some serious hardware for a serious gamer. Don't forget, Intel Gamer Days is on at Costco.com from August 28th through September 6th. During this time, you can find some awesome PC gaming offers available from Costco on Intel gaming desktops and laptops, including the MSI GE75 Raider. In fact, regardless of whether you want to buy or build, be sure to choose a system with a 10th gen Intel Core i7 or Intel Core i9 processor, as these processors will help you get the raw horsepower you need to stream, record, and basically have the best possible experience. And of course, you know all about Costco's awesome extended warranty that comes standard with membership. Learn more at Costco.com and search for Intel Gamer Days. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.